Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with FireEye, full guide step by step clearly. Investing in cybersecurity can be a smart move in today's digital landscape. FireEye is a leading player in this field, offering innovative security solutions. To start, research FireEye's business model and understand their core offerings. Visit their official website to explore their products and services. Review recent news and press releases to stay updated on their latest developments. Analyze their financial performance by examining key metrics like revenue and profit margins. Look for quarterly earnings reports to assess growth trends over time. Utilize financial analysis tools to compare FireEye with other cybersecurity firms. Consider market trends influencing the cybersecurity industry as a whole. Investigate recent acquisitions or partnerships FireEye has made for strategic growth. Assess the competitive landscape to understand how FireEye stands out. Learn about any regulatory challenges or changes that could impact their business. Explore investor relations sections on their website for insights on future guidance. Once informed, decide on your investment strategy, long-term holding or short-term trading. Open a brokerage account if you haven't done so already. Choose a reputable platform that suits your trading style and preferences. Fund your account to prepare for buying shares. Determine how many shares of FireEye you wish to purchase. Utilize limit or market orders based on your investment strategy. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed of any important changes. Consider setting alerts for significant price movements or news related to FireEye. Review your investment periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Diversify your portfolio by exploring other cybersecurity stocks alongside FireEye. Stay engaged with the cybersecurity sector by following trends and innovations. Evaluate your investment in the context of your overall financial strategy. Seek professional advice if you're unsure about your investment approach. Be patient and prepared for market volatility as the cybersecurity landscape evolves. Investing in FireEye can be rewarding if approached with proper knowledge and research. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.